Hi, Hannah here. I don't look for these laminate or fake wood pieces. They just keep finding me. I found this dresser on Facebook Marketplace for $10. It's, I don't know, some kind of imitation of wood. I wouldn't call it quite laminate. Um, I'm really upset now because I'm thinking it's going to be really quick, but I have these handles that are like forged inside some kind of way. And I know that that happens to a lot of pieces where it's not even a screw on the inside. It's just basically wedged in there, and you have to like take like something like maybe a screwdriver and a hammer to kind of gently pop them out. Um, it took me a while to figure out exactly how to get them out, so I did a little bit of damage on one of the drawers. There's a lot of cobwebs in here. So I decided to pull out my vacuum and kind of get all that cleaned up. And so this is part of the part that I damaged. I had to fix it up really quick. I'm using this very gentle um, wood filler just to kind of take in the scratch a little bit. A lot of wood fillers have like acetone, different things in there that just ruin the finish. So it's kind of hard to fix a laminate piece. So this is pretty gentle just to kind of take the scratch away. I struggle so much just trying to glue stuff in the cracks. So I got a brush because I don't have, what do you call those, syringes. So I basically put it on the brush, the glue, that way I can stick it in the hole. Stick it in there. There we go. I know people are probably already doing this, of course, but I was trying to use my finger. And now I know. I just put it on a nice throwaway brush. I got so many of these painter brushes. I think I stick enough there. So I can use these braces. Just squeeze it really tight. Not extremely tight. It's not wood. I don't want to push it too much. Then I just wipe the excess glue. So I'm using Sherwin-Williams exterior paint in Caviar, which is such a gorgeous, gorgeous black paint. Um, I bought this for the exterior of one of my doors, and I used it for the inner door too. So it's just so freaking perfect. It has primer, it has top coat, has everything in it, and it's made to handle all the elements, which is something I really figure will go great with this laminate dresser. Also, when I'm dealing with pieces that are not high value, I just don't really want to spend a ton of time working on it. I know that after I discovered that it was not wood, that I had to give it a solid color and try to dress it up a little bit. I will tell you that my laminate pieces sell for about the same thing that my wood pieces sell for. I just have less options on what I can do with it. I'm also using a roller because it keeps from having brush marks. And so you will notice that I use the roller for like 90% of everything. And then if I have to, I would use the brush to kind of straighten it up. But the roller is what makes everything have a perfect finish. I was really happy with how smooth everything kind of spread on. It was really good. I didn't have any issues with the paint. Hopefully you like what you see so far. You can hit the subscribe button. You can take a look at my projects and hopefully you can get something out of it, even if it's just inspiration. So I'm going back through and just hitting every little part. This is my second coat. Um, this piece could have been removed, but because this is not a wood piece, I was afraid of having too much damage, so I said, I don't want to take any chances. I'm going to leave it in and just paint over it. Keep it simple. I like the dresser, but I'm going to use some ribbon buff. I just decided just to kind of enhance it a little bit, and I have never used this before, so I'm a little nervous about it. But I just feel like I need to just expand a little bit and just try new things. So hopefully it'll look good. So this is the before pic of the dresser again. And this is the finished look. I got the gold handles and wood at the bottom and the gilding wax. So let me know what you think. Even if you thought I shouldn't have put the extra gold on there, if you thought it would look better without it, just let me know. And please like and subscribe.